my name's Amanda Jackson and I've been the roving reporter for the Florence Nightingale Foundation, FNF, over the last couple of days at Rewired, the Digital Health Conference in Birmingham. I just wanted to do a quick vlog just to kind of say what the last couple of days have felt like and what my reflections are on the day. So I guess day one started with a keynote session from some of the FNF alumni, and we also had Crystal Oldman talking from the Q&A, and what I found really empowering and inspiring was the fact that she talked about how many community nurses there are in digital and how important it was for digital health in the community and the use of digital health. And as a community nurse myself, I work in Leeds. It was really good to hear that. I think a lot of the time we hear really about acute settings, which is brilliant, but for those of us that do work in the community, it can be a little bit disheartening, I guess, sometimes. So from that, the rest of the day I did sessions on service user engagement and co-design, which again is something that's really important to me, and it's really important I think for services to make sure that they do co-design with service users and their patients. Otherwise, how do we know that our digital health methods are working? I also went to a session about integrated care systems, and that was with a colleague of mine from Leeds Community Healthcare, which is Dawn Greaves, and that was fabulous to see her and hear about her experiences. And then I ended my day learning about the future for the NHS app, and there's lots of exciting things coming with that, and also a little bit about smart tech in action. I'm really intrigued as to how smart technology can help health in terms of practitioner time and capacity, but actually also empower our service users and patients to take control of their health in many different ways. So the end of day one was exhausting. I had an early night and I was back again for day two. Day two was really good fun. I met up with Becky from the FNF, and that was just really lovely to see her again in person. Becky obviously taught on my Aspiring Digital Leadership course, and I'm also one of the Academy Fellows, so it was really nice to see her in person and we had lots of fun. But she did an amazing presentation on the courses that the FNF do, and what was really lovely to see, and I know she's talked about it on her Instagram stories and things, is seeing all the digital health leadership alumni that were in the room as well. So at the end she made us all stand up. Thanks for that, Becky. And we had lots of people come up to us and talk to us, which was really nice. It felt really good to be able to engage with and chat and hopefully inspire digital leaders of the future. So hopefully some of those will apply for the course I was on, and that was really lovely. And I did have very many people come up to me through the day and go, "Oh, you're the roving reporter from FNF. Oh, I've seen your Twitter." So that was a little bit surreal. The rest of my day for day two was around clinical safety and finding out how digital fits into that, and that's an area that I want to learn more about, so that was really interesting. I think overall my reflections kind of over the past couple of days have been, it's brilliant to go to conferences like this. I think you get lots of opportunities to be able to talk to new suppliers and suppliers that maybe are in different areas to where you work, and you can hear all about all the new technology. You can hear all about the kind of upgrades to EPR systems and all sorts of things maybe that are outside of your area of where you work. You get lots of freebies too, which is always a bonus. It's really good to kind of meet with really like-minded people and know that there is a huge digital health world out there, particularly for nurses and midwives. And I think that's one of the huge things I'll take away in terms of networking. People want to share their ideas. People want to talk to you about what they found difficult and how they overcome it. And hopefully you can apply that to your projects. It was just a really fabulous couple of days, like I've said. I've loved being FNF's roving reporter. I hope I've done it justice. I hope you've all enjoyed seeing my posts, and happy to do it again, and happy for anyone to get in touch with me. So thank you. That's me signing off as the roving reporter.